Hey everybody, Jeremy from Nisswa Marine here. We're in our expanded heated indoor showroom where we're going to highlight today a 2017 MasterCraft X26. That's right, this is the Mac Daddy of the MasterCraft line, and you could have this for a really awesome buy because it's a super clean pre-owned boat. As you can see, the whole entire boat is a metal flake color, really sharp. Plus we got the rear lounger seats in the back. When you're just hanging out in the cove, it's super comfy, and the backrest will fold down flat here. As you can see, we got a nice walk-through entrance into the boat, and then MasterCraft's really popular reverse seat. One thing I like about this seat, it does lay flat, so you can also use it as a kind of a lounger and a playpen. As we come into this 26 feet of massiveness, you can see that you have plenty of room for the family plus. So we have a really unique passenger seat design where it folds back as a lounger, and then we can also use it as a double forward facing seat. Really cool setup, giving you tons of different function. The other thing that the X26 will have is the head compartment. This will allow you, right now, as you can see, we have a bunch of storage stuff in here. We have some of the bow filler pieces for the front of the boat, life jackets, or you can put a porta potty system in there. So tons of features galore in this boat, including a isotherm refrigerator. So if you don't want to have the mess of ice cooler, you put your stuff in here, it's going to be cold in just a matter of minutes. So coming on up here, we have the dash with the premium 7-inch dual screen, which does have all of your profiles that MasterCraft's known for, with your Gen 2 surf system allowing you to pick all kinds of different rider profiles. As we come through here in the bow, we're going to notice this boat is yacht certified. We can put as many as we deem safe in the boat. We also have the creature comforts of a garbage can in the walk-through. Like I said, as you keep moving throughout the boat, there's one creature comfort after another. We have the walk-through door, which is going to block our wind and keep us nice and comfortable. Ending up in the bow, really long seating up here. It doesn't matter how tall you are, you're going to have plenty of room to sit here. You got the armrests here. There is a bow filler couch piece that does go in here. And then for this model year, they did actually have a bow to beach ladder that's stowed in here. So if you come up to a sandbar, you got a nice easy entrance into the boat from the beach. So this is an awesome boat. Really excited to show people this value in this 2017 X26 here at Nisswa Marine. Check us out on our website or give our sales department a call. We'd love to get you some more information and get you on the water soon. Thanks.